Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss first unit of financial derivative and my topic is option contract. An option is a contract written by the seller that conveys to the buyer the right but not an obligation to buy in case of the call option or to sell in the case of the put option. A particular asset at a particular price which is known as the strike price or the exercise price in the future. From the definition, it is clear that in the option, you don't have any obligation. You have just a right. Either it is in the case of the call option or a put option. In the return for granting the option, the seller collects the payment, which is known as the premium from the buyer. Whenever you are going to buy the call option or the put option, you have to pay some amount, and that amount is known as a premium. And if you are going to buy, the seller will definitely get the payment in the form of the premium. And the options are the exchange rated, and they are not a customized. They are not from OTC. They don't have a OTC features. They are the standardized contracts and which are traded on the public exchange, facilitating the trading among the large number of investors. Now let us discuss about the different jargons of the option. First one is the strike price and underlying price. The second one is the exercising of an option contract. The third one is the option expiry. The fourth one is the option premium. And the fifth one is the option settlement. Let us discuss one by one. First one is the index option. These options have the index as underlying asset. As we know that in the case of the derivatives, the value is derived from the underlying asset. In the case of the options, in the case of the index option, the underlying asset is indexed, maybe the mini Nifty options or the Nifty options. The index is underlying asset. Then stock options. In the case of the stock option, these are the options on the individual stock and which give the right to buy or sell the underlying shares at a specified price. They can be the American options, and American options are those options which can be settled at any time. Then again, the buyer of an option. The buyer of the option is the investor who, by paying the option premium, buys the right, but there is no obligation to exercise his option on the seller or the writer. Then writer or the seller of an option. The writer or the seller of the call or a put option is the one who receives the option premium and is thereby obliged to sell or buy the asset if the buyer exercises on him. Then there is a call option. A call option gives the holder the right but not an obligation to buy an asset by a certain date for a certain price. Call option is going to buy when the market is showing the bullish trend, and the same is going to happen with the put option. A put option is going to buy by the holder when he will see the bearish trend in the market at a certain price. Then option price or the premium. Whenever you are going to buy the call option or the put option, you have to pay the some amount which is known as the premium, and it is collected by the seller of the option. It is also referred to as the option premium. Expiration date. The date which is specified in the option contract is known as the expiration date, the exercise date, or it can be known as the strike date or the maturity. Then the strike price. The price specified in the option contract is known as the strike price or the exercise price. Now let us discuss the strike price. Here The strike prices in the case of the Nifty is 14,000, 14,050, 14,100, 14,150. All these are come under the strike price. There are the two portions. One is the right side and the second one is the left side. In the case of the left side, there is a call option, and in the case of the right side, there is a put option. The call option is going to buy when the market is showing the bullish trend. On the other hand, when the market is showing the bearish trend, we can sell the call option. In the same case, the right hand side, the put options are there, in which we are going to buy when there is a bearish trend, or we are going to sell the put option when we will see there is a bullish trend in the market. And here the OI means open interest, then change in interest, volume, then last stated price, how much it is changing, bid quantity, bid price, ask quantity. In the same case, put bid quantity, bid price, ask quantity, change, last stated price, then volume, change in open interest and open interest. Today we will see that the market is showing a bullish trend, and the today market is closed at 14,550. And if anybody see that the market is tomorrow will again show the bullish trend, then he will buy the call option, and there is a change in the open interest also. The open interest is more in the case of the 14,800. If you will see, there is the 30,150, and this is the case of the minus 4.540. Then the volume is there. If you will see the volume, where the volume is more, you can see the volume is more in the case of 7,20,988 in 15,000 call option. It means number of the people have buy the call option, and the strike price is 15,000, and the amount which they have to be paid for buying this call option, it's given in the case of the bid price and the ask price. People are willing to buy at 82. This is a bid price, and the other people are willing to sell it 82.30. Approximately, it's a 75 and 60.45. The bid price is the buyer wants at the rate of 60.45, and the seller wants to sell the call option at the 75. And the more people are doing the trading on this 15,000, they are ready to buy. This is the case of the call option. But if we will see the put option, then we can see that in the same line of the 15,000 strike price, the buyer of the put options are very less, very, very less as compared to the call option. It means the Nifty is going to touch 15,000 very soon, because in the case of the option contract, call options are more as compared to the put option, and people are seeing the bullish trend as compared to the bearish trend in the market. Now there are different types of the option. One is American option, and the second one is the European option. American options are the options that can be exercised at any time up to the expiration date, and European options are options that can be exercised only on the expiration date itself. In the case of the American option, you can scare off even within a second. But in the case of the European option, you have to hold the option till the expiry date. Now again, there are the three types of option: in the money option, out of the money option, and at the money option. In the case of in the money option, it is an option that would lead to the positive cash flow to the holder if it were exercised immediately. A call option on the index is said to be in the money when the current index stands at a level higher than the strike price, that the stock price is greater than the strike price. If the index is much higher than the strike price, the call is said to be deep in the money option. In the case of the put is in the money if the index is below the strike price. This will explain with the help of the table right now. In the case of the this is the case of the Nifty 50. Again, right now the Nifty. This is the case of the Reliance company share. Sorry, and the Nifty is right now showing the bullish trend, that is 14,928.75 is the index. And that time the Reliance company is showing the price 1,940. If the prices are if the stock price is 1,940 and you are going to buy the option of 19,000, this is means in the money option. And the same is going to be happened in the case of the put option. If you are going to buy 2,000 put option, then this is known as in the money option. And this is all about the open interest, which we have already discussed. This 1,000, 1,780, 1,800, 1,820, 8040, all these are known as the strike price. And if you are going to buy the option which is less than the spot price, then it is known as the in the money option. And the reverse is going to happen in the case of the put option. Now at the money option. At the money option is that option where the spot price and the strike price both are same. An option on the index is at the money when the current index equals to the strike price. Again, this is the case of the Reliance company shares. If the strike price 1940 and you are going to buy the put or the call option of 1940, this is the case of the at the money option. And the prices are given there, open interest, each and everything I have already discussed. I'm not going to discuss it again. Now, this is the case of the, and out of the money means when you are going to buy the option which when the strike price is less than spot price, and the reverse is going to be happened in the case of the put option. Now this is the case relating to the payoff for the investor who went long. Long means they are going to buy the option at 2,220. If the share price goes up, then there will be the profit, and if the share price falls, then there will be a loss. You will see the company is earning the profit if if the share price increase above, that is it will become 2,280. Then there is a profit of 860 rupees. But if the share prices are going to be declined, then 2,160, and there is a loss of 60 rupees. Now this is a payoff profile for the seller of the asset which are going to sell the asset. Selling an asset means when the investor going to sell the asset, then it means the stock price are going to be reduced. If the stock price are going to be increased, then there will be the loss. But if the stock prices are going to be reduced, then there will be the profit, and the seller is going, then the buyer is going to buy at the lower price and sell at the higher price. In this basic position, an investor short the underlying asset APC Limited shares, for example, for rupees 2,220 and buy it back at the future date at unknown price once it is sold. The investor is said to be short the asset. The figure will show it. If they are going to short the asset, then they will gain it. When the prices are going to be declined, when the prices are going to be increased, then there will be the loss. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.